Doing very well, sir. How are you?
All good, ma'am. All good. So let me introduce. I think we will take 2 minutes more to formally commence the session. They are joining. Let them come in. I think we can delay by 2 minutes.
Absolutely, absolutely, sir.
We have got good number.
Okay, great, great. That is good to know.
Yeah.
Always good to have a house full.
Aditya, why don't you run madam's video? Aditya.
Can I
Sir,
switch
I'll
off?
do that. Sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I'll just switch off my camera then for 2 minutes.
yeah, yeah. I think people are rushing in.
No problem. We'll wait for another 2, 3 minutes, then we'll start.
So let me interact with the students. Hi guys, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, who is this? Sanjeev or Athar?
Shiv Shakti, sir.
Hi, Shiv Shakti. I think we are not getting videos. Earlier also the same thing happened. Earlier also the same thing happened.
An internationally accredited communication and people development coach.
Yeah, go back, start from the initial.
We don't just reshape and upgrade your skills to help.
Again there is a mission.
Your demeanor, don't the finesse you truly possess, and communicate your call to win over all situations in life, be it professional or personal. Hello everyone, my name is Padma Roy Sharma, an internationally accredited communication and people development coach. At UPSC Lounge, we don't just reshape and upgrade your skills to help you create those good first impressions, but we help you make everlasting impressions in the true sense by developing your confidence, your grooming, etiquette, and above all, your attitude, thereby aiming at everlasting success for you. In short, we believe in living up to our motto, which is groom to lead. So, do join us if you want to learn to lead from the front. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Yeah. Okay. I think let's start. 3, 2, 1. Hey, greetings, my young friends. This is Colonel Verma, founder director UPSC Launch, and I welcome you all for today's session. That is on
Sir, voice is
communication.
not audible.
Not audible.
You're audible, sir.
You're audible, sir. We all can hear you.
Yeah. Who said I'm not audible?
Shiv Shakti, please exit from the meeting and re-enter in the meeting.
Let him come in. Okay. Shiv Shakti, can you hear me now? Okay. So I welcome you all in today's show that is exclusively for communication and
Sir,
behavioral.
voice is not audible.
I can hear you, but I think you are the only person who is not able to hear me. I think your there is some issue with your system, man.
Yes, I think because we can hear you.
Okay, great, great.
We can hear too.
That is the first thing in communication. If you are not able to hear someone. Okay. So I welcome you all for today's show, and I extend my welcome to Madam Swati Oberoi Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Communication works for those who worked at it. And who are those people? We, the human creatures. By communication means expressing our views and opinions. And obviously, there are two poles of the communication. One is the source, and one is the recipient. And in between lies the medium and the content. So, not taking much time, let me introduce Swati Madam. She is certified capability building and soft skill trainer, international image coach, ICF accredited OD consultant, and instructional design and corporate training. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And I open up the show for you. Please tell us about the communication and what should be the measures on which we can develop effective communication. And let me brief you about the audience. These are the candidates who are preparing for the civil service examination. Some of them have made it to the interview stage. So interview, that means the personality test, where they will be judged by the experts. And in interview I always say it's all about judging your personality and attributes of personality. Communication is one of the biggest, I will say, the facet of your personality. So I open the discussion, and it's all yours, ma'am. Take it forward.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. I hope you can all hear me. You can all see me. Please let me know.
Shiv Shakti,
Yes, ma'am.
now can you hear me and madam?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Okay.
Great. Can I request all of you, if possible, can you switch on your camera so that, you know, we don't feel that we are not in actually a physical session and we are in a, you know, Zoom session. It would be great to see you all and, you know, interact with you. And I also, in fact, want to say that it is an absolute delight to, you know, conduct a session for your batch, because, you know, for such aspiring and determined group of people like you who are striving to, I think, crack one of the most difficult exams, you know, in India. So it is actually very, very, you know, it's a pleasure for me to have all of you on board today. I think sir ने मेरे बारे में आपको बता दिया है already, so I will not discuss that. Yes, I've been in the training industry now for almost more than a decade, and मैंने काफी जगह trainings करी हैं, and now today we are here. Yeah, thank you so much. एक मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी बिफोर वी बिगिन द सेशन, लेट्स ट्राई एंड मेक दिस सेशन वेरी वेरी इंटरैक्टिव, वेरी वेरी पार्टिसिपेटिव, बिकॉज जब तक हम इसको एंगेजिंग नहीं बनाएंगे तब तक ना मजा आएगा ना लर्निंग होगी. So if you want to have fun with learning, you know, while we learn, so let's please make it very, very, you know, engaging. I want all of you to participate fully. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. All right. So इसी बात पे हम, I just want any say 2 volunteers to introduce themselves. कोई भी 2 volunteers. मैं सबके साथ नहीं कर पाऊंगी because हम यहाँ पे we are a big batch today. But any 2 volunteers जो कि सामने आके एक अपना quick introduction 30 seconds में अगर हम सबको दें, especially, you know, I would want to know about you. So who would want to come forward? Shiv Shakti, I can see you there. I think people are switching off their cameras.
No, ma'am. I can't see my camera.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am going to introduce myself.
Great, Shiv Shakti. Thank you so much. Yes, please go ahead.
Myself is Shakti Singh from UP, Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi. And right now I'm preparing for UPSC with the UPSC launch. And can I say about my schooling and everything?
See, मैं अभी डिस्कस करूंगी कि हम इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या बोल सकते हैं, बट अभी मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ आपके हिसाब से आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो जब भी हम इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएंगे तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही होगा कि टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट यू. यस, प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. तो आपको जो लगता है अभी, आपको जो भी आपको लगता है आपको बोलना चाहिए, जस्ट से दैट एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस कि क्या होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So my graduation from KIT University Bhubaneswar in BTech in civil engineering.
Okay.
And right now at my home.
Okay.
The COVID problem, but understand, ma'am.
Okay, great. Thank you for that, Shiv Shakti. Okay, I see a couple of hands raised here. Kanika Gupta. Kanika, can you please switch on your camera and speak to all of us? Introduce yourself. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, first of all, I'm really very sorry. I can't switch on my camera. I'm using a laptop and my laptop camera isn't working properly.
No problem. No
So
problem.
that's it.
Okay, no problem at all. Please go ahead with your introduction.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Kanika. Basically, I hail from Haryana. I have completed my schooling from Hindu Senior Secondary School, Nuhu. Currently, I'm pursuing BA Eco Honors from Shri Ram College of Commerce, New Delhi. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah, we'll come to Chaya. Chaya, please unmute yourself. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm extremely sorry I can't switch on my camera.
No problem. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Chaya Sinha. I hail from Chhattisgarh, Tari district. I have done my schooling from SVR Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and I'm doing graduation in BA Honors Psychology from Management College, Delhi University.
Great. Thank you.
Okay. The last candidate, I think, the last candidate, Vikas Meena.
Good evening, ma'am.
Wait.
My name is Vikas Meena. I am basically from Rajasthan, from Alwar district to be precise. I have done my graduation as an electrical engineer, and this time I'll be appearing for the CSU interview.
Great. Very good, Vikas. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I think we can't have more. I would have loved to have all of you, speak in the beginning, but then since there is little paucity of time, hum sabko nahi lenge. In fact, I want to move on to this very interesting topic. किसी ने ये सुना है what is elevator pitch? किसी ने anybody who's heard of this term elevator pitch क्या होती है? नहीं. Okay, I see Shiv Shakti and Vikas saying no. Anybody who knows a bit about क्या है ये elevator pitch? Nobody? Okay, great. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ elevator pitch क्या होती है. Elevator pitch is basically हम 30 seconds suppose करो अगर आप lift में किसी के साथ जा रहे हैं. Generally from 0 to say about 15th or 20th floor, generally the lifts take about 30 to 40 seconds to reach. Suppose आपने lift enter किया and somebody tells you, all right, hi Vikas, so what are you doing these days? Tell me something about it, right? So how do you introduce yourself in those 30 seconds window, कि जिससे पहले कि लिफ्ट का दरवाजा खुले और वो जो इंसान है वो चला जाए या वो बोले अरे ये विकास बोलता ही जा रहा है बस ठीक है हो गया समझ आ गया जाने दो, राइट? और आप उन 30 सेकंड्स में उनको ठीक से कन्वे कर सको that yes, this is what I do or this is what I am doing or I aspire to do, right? So this is called elevator pitch. I hope all of you are clear now. This is a very common terminology. आप लोग ये terminology बहुत बारी सुनोगे in life. Okay? Now, why are we discussing elevator pitch? Because this is an ice-breaking question. जब भी आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएंगे सबसे पहले बाय डिफॉल्ट ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ही जाएगा that all right, Chaya, tell me something about yourself. Vikas, tell me something about yourself. हर कोई पूछता है ये question, right? So what is the strategy of assimilating this 30-second pitch? हम कैसे उस 30 second में अपने आप को credible दिखा सकें, अपना जो हम convey करना चाहते हैं, we convey that also, and we show that yes, we are competent enough that you take us through, right? So there are two things very important. I hope all of you can see the screen. Yes, 2 points हैं. Can anybody read that for me? क्या हैं ये 2 points जो हमने strategy जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं of assimilating the 30 seconds pitch?
No.
What is written on the screen? Can anyone read that for me, please?
I think we can't see the screen. We can't see the screen.
We cannot see your screen.
Just a minute. I'm so sorry. I think the share was not happening. Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So,
Yes,
strategy. Yeah. So now let's discuss strategy of assimilating the 30-second pitch, the 30-second introduction. क्या है ये 2 points? Warm.
Warmth in the backstory.
Yes. Please go
Then
on.
sharing your key competence.
Key competency skills. ये 2 चीजें हैं जो आप इससे ज्यादा आप 30 seconds में you can't even tell, right? So this is what you need to focus on. I will now give you 2 demos of 2 introductions. आप मुझे बताना कि मैंने किस में ये strategy apply करी, ठीक है? And then we will discuss further. Okay, the first demo goes like this. Good morning, sir. Okay, Vikas, please ask me. All right, Swati, tell me something about yourself. You're on mute.
Yeah. Yes, Swati, tell me something about yourself.
Sure, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Swati Sharma. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Application, and then I did my Master's in Information Technology from Punjab University. I'm very hardworking person aspiring to be in civil services. Thank you. Okay, one was this. Now I come on to a second demo where Vikas, please ask me again.
Okay. Okay, Swati. Now tell me something about yourself.
Sure, Vikas. Thank you so much, sir. My name is Swati Sharma, and I hail from Chandigarh. And in fact, from a very young age, I looked up to people in the civil services, read about them, trying to understand what they do. And that's how I oriented myself to complete my education in Bachelor in Computer Application, that is BCA, followed by MSc IT from Punjab University. And parallelly, I started preparing for the civil services exam. And also, I'm an avid reader, a very quick learner, and definitely a very determined person. And I aspire to be a successful civil servant and serve my country. Thank you so much. So, tell me, what difference did you find in both the demos? Who will tell me that?
Ma'am, shall I go ahead?
Mayuri, please go ahead. Yes.
Ma'am, this first intro was just a replication of what you had just written in your application of form, whatever they have, resume kind. And the second one was something more than that, ma'am. It was like you were telling about yourself, but at the same time, the one who is listening to you will be captivated by that. It's like he wants to know more about you. Okay, next, what is she going to say? Next, what is she going to say? It gets that attention, ma'am.
Wonderful. You are hooking the person who's listening to you. हमने word सुना hook करना. अपनी audience को हम hook कैसे करते हैं? हम अपनी audience को hook करते हैं जब हम कुछ interesting सुनाते हैं उनको. सबको पता है आपने graduation करी है या आपने post graduation करी है या शायद आपने 2 साल काम किए and now you're preparing for civil services. Obviously सब interviewers जो वहाँ बैठे होंगे panel में, they all would know that, right? आप एस्पायर कैसे हुए हो ये करने के लिए? व्हाट्स योर बैक स्टोरी? बैक स्टोरी डजंट ओनली मीन दैट आपकी ग्रेजुएशन क्या थी और आपकी स्कूलिंग क्या थी. सबको पता है आप सिविल सर्विसेज में बैठे हो तो यू हैव टू बी अ ग्रेजुएट और यू हैव टू बी अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, राइट? सो ऑफ कोर्स दे वांट टू नो आपने किस में करी है, वो बताना जरूरी है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हम वो नहीं बताएंगे, बट हम उसको थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग वे में थोड़ी सी वार्मथ डाल के बताएंगे तो डू यू थिंक द इंटरव्यूअर विल बी इम्प्रेस्ड अ बिट मोर? And you can probably create a better first impression for yourself?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, guys, I'm not saying कि हमें ऐसा ही कुछ बोलना. मैंने ये बहुत generic बनाया. आपकी warmth किसी भी form में हो सकती है. Maybe your father is an IAS officer. You grew up seeing that in the family itself. Maybe some of your relatives were. आप लोग किसी ना किसी से तो inspire हुए हैं ना to do this, and this is not something which is very easy. बट अगर आप किसी से इंस्पायर हुए हैं तो उसको एक लाइन में बता सकते हैं ना हम, राइट? एंड दैट्स हाउ यू से दैट दिस इज व्हाट माय इंस्पिरेशन इज, एंड देन आई कंप्लीटेड माय स्टडीज एंड नाउ पैरेलली आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस एंड आई रियली एस्पायर टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल सिविल सर्वेंट एंड आई वांट टू सर्व माय कंट्री. दैट्स इट. I hope any questions, any doubts on what is elevator pitch, how can we introduce ourselves in a better way by assimilating this 30-second introduction in a very strategic yet a very warm way.
Yeah, guys who are preparing and appearing this time for PT, let them ask this question, because this will be the first question interviewers will ask you. Tell us about yourself. And is there any confusion? Is there anything you would like to know from madam?
All right. In any case, sir, I want a little demo from them. Any
Yeah,
two
yeah.
volunteers, because देखो जब तक हम practice नहीं करेंगे तब तक आएगा नहीं.
Yeah.
Right? So I give you 2 minutes. इसको जल्दी से just pen down whatever comes to your mind based on that warmth factor that we want to add and your key competency skills. And any 2 or 3 people can just try it out. I know अभी हम हो सकता है हम 100% नहीं होंगे, but शायद हम 50% होंगे. Let's try. All right?
Sure, ma'am.
Great. So I give you 2 minutes. आप 2 मिनट में जो आपको pen down करना है आप कर लो. You can probably say it within you once, and then let me know. Just raise your hands, please. Whosoever wants to go ahead and say it to everybody. Yeah.
Yeah. There's Daisy, you be prepared. I have to select now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I think you can pick them up.
Yeah, and Snehal, Dr. Snehal. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Snehal must be ready with elevator pitch, I think.
Yes, sir. But I got a few new points, sir. I need to include that
Okay,
also.
1
sir.
minute granted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, for those who are not appearing this time, let me give a preface of interview. So this is the third stage. Total marks at stake are 275 marks. The panel of experts will be waiting for you at Dholpur House to judge your overall suitability or candidature. Your knowledge has been tested through the papers, the 9 papers, but some facets of your personality they would like to know before.
Sir, I think we lost you. Colonel Verma? I think we can't hear him. Can anyone hear him?
And
No.
how you manage the
Yeah.
theater,
Now we can.
your cool and calmness. So this is all about the personality test. Yeah, now I think Snehal and Daisy is ready.
Hello.
Daisy, are you there?
Yes, I'm there, sir. I'm not very.
Okay. So I can take you after Snehal. Snehal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can't see you. Please make yourself visible.
Yeah, we
Yes,
can
sir.
see him, sir, now. I think we can see him.
It's going to be very, very interesting, guys. I don't
Yes,
want
sir.
to make it monotonous.
Sir, my video is on, sir. Are you able to see me, sir?
Yes.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Yeah, we can see you.
Yes, we can see you.
The one with the background of a beach.
Yeah, beach background.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's an interesting background, Dr. Snail, definitely.
Yes. Thank you, madam. Can I start?
Yes, please.
Yeah, Snehal.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, sir. I am Dr. Snehal Wagmare. I stay in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Right from the childhood itself, sir, I had a feeling in myself to serve the society. And so I pursued my graduation in medical science. I did my MBBS from St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital from Mumbai. And right now I'm working there in the Department of Forensic Medicine as an house officer. And while doing my graduation and further, I wanted to serve the society. And in relation to my qualities, like I am hardworking and I am a very compassionate and honest person, I thought of entering the civil services and I felt like contributing more to the society at a higher level. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Very good. Very good.
So now
Good.
this shows your passion towards your, the profession that you want to take up. So that gives you an added point there. Great.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
But I wasn't smiling,
Yeah,
ma'am. I was looking little serious. That is my problem, madam.
We come on to that, no problem. We will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
discussing that also, because it's very important to have a very pleasant personality.
Yes, ma'am.
You are, as you know,
It will come
striving.
with the practice.
Yeah, it will come with practice. And
Okay.
of course, जब आप शीशे के सामने खड़े होकर अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए, देखो आप कैसे लग रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a very good practice. You know, you actually get to know so many things about you, Dr. Snail, जो हम वैसे नोट ही नहीं करते. हमें लगता है हम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. But जब हम अपने आप को बाकी आईने में देखते हैं ना, there are so many things that we
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
I mean, this is missing, this is missing. So आप ये practice करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे अपनी introduction को और, you know, you can polish your introduction more so that you're not repeating words, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Because वो 30 second में हमको repetition नहीं सुनना. Nobody wants to serve the same. Listen, अब जैसे आपने serve the country 2 बारी बोला.
Yes, ma'am.
हमको serve the country 2 बारी नहीं बोला, हमें एक ही बारी बोलना है.
And so many and.
So many and.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's just that you need to practice it. My only
ma'am.
point of introducing elevator pitch was that I just wanted you to add that warmth to
Yes,
your.
ma'am. And few qualities.
Yes, and to your.
Like you have to mug it up. You have to mug it
Yes.
up beforehand, and that time it should not look like that you are like telling something mugged up.
Very.
It should be like nicely framed, and you try to incorporate maximum in 30 to 40 seconds. Anyway, Daiji, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, we can't see you. Oh, great. Yeah. Daisy is from Northeast. Yeah, pleasure to see you, Daisy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Daisy Varali. I'm inspired to join the civil services because of the diversity of the work profile that it provides. I did my graduation from Hansraj College, Delhi University in BSc Honors Geology. And I come from a service family background, and this makes me disciplined and sincere. I am an avid reader, creative writer, and I want to serve the country with my skills.
Lovely. Very, very good.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Perfect. Yes. So would you like to add something to what Daisy just said?
No. Perfect. I'm really happy. She
Yeah.
has got time to furnish it further. Anyway, anybody else here? Let us go to the people who are appearing for PT this time. Any
Sir, I want to do
volunteer?
it.
Yeah, Vikas, please come in.
Yeah. So I am Vikas Meena, and my parents have always inspired me to do something which can bring a positive change in the life of a common man. So during the graduation, I came to know about the true scope and opportunities which the service provides. So I thought that this might be the thing I was looking for. So I began preparing for the civil services right after my graduation, and I'm looking forward to be a great civil servant in future.
Beautiful. Very nice, Vikas. Lovely. Thank you.
Madam, can we tell them here, when they are telling their name, will it suffice that they say only I'm Vikas or I am Snehal or
And I
XYZ?
think bolna chahiye, my name is. You should always say that my name is Vikas Meena, like that. Don't say I am, because I am is a bit of a slang. So it has to be a very, very formal introduction, because this is a very formal interview. It's not an informal interview, right? So it should be good evening, everyone. My name is Vikas Meena, and then you start.
Yeah, great.
Okay.
And when you finish it, guys, please say thank you, so that they get to know कि आपकी speech खत्म हो गई. नहीं तो एकदम से abruptly लोग चुप हो जाते हैं बस. वो ऐसे लगता है अच्छा अब इन्होंने बोलना है आगे, नहीं बोलना, क्या करना है? You know, there is a question mark then. People also keep खत्म हुआ है नहीं हुआ. So always say thank you, so that the interviewer knows that yes, it is over.
It is over now. Yes.
Yeah. So these are very small things, but then they do matter.
कोई volunteer? I think.
Yes, sir. I wanted to.
कौन अभी? Just tell me your name. Soumya.
Sir, Pooja.
Pooja Verma. Yeah, Pooja.
Yeah. So I couldn't open my camera because of some connectivity issues. So
Not an issue. You can go ahead with it. We are okay. Yeah, please tell us about yourself.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. As you read in the form, my name is Pooja Verma. I am from Punjab, but basically from UP. Currently, I am doing Bachelor's in Economics Honors from Miranda House, and side by side, I am preparing for the civil services. because I wanted to love to connect with people. That's why I worked with some NGOs in my college life as a campus ambassador. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
You love to connect with people. That's why you are aspiring to become an IAS officer.
Yeah, sir. Working for society, giving education to some.
Anyway, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, Swati ma'am. Over to you.
We can't hear you.
I just muted myself, so I was trying to unmute. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, I think this it was a good introduction. Thank you so much. I think आपको सबको knack समझ में आ गया है. That we just have to add those few lines there so that it becomes more warm. So that is the whole idea behind it. आप लोग information वही दे रहे हो, but आप थोड़ी सी warm way में दे रहे हो. And you are showing your passion towards your profession that you aspire to take on. Right? Great. Thank you so much, sir. Shall we proceed ahead? All right, thank you. Great. Now, a quick activity. Again, volunteers I would want. I don't think so we can do it with everybody. But then can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
where do you think that you belong at present? Which quadrant? एक quadrant one है जिसमें आप captivating है. Captivating का मतलब है impress कर सकते हैं. आप में वो captivating पार है, but you feel nervous at the moment. ये अभी की बात कर रहे हैं हम presently. Quadrant 2 है. Quadrant 2 पे मैं end में आऊंगी. Quadrant जो 4 है उसमें आप confident तो हैं, but आप बहुत bland हैं. जैसे अभी डॉक्टर sorry क्या नाम था? I forgot.
Snehal.
Now Dr. Snehal said I don't smile, right? He spoke confidently, but then there was a bland face. There was no smile, and there was not much of an expression on the face. So I would put him in quadrant 4 right now. That he sounded confident, but he sounded little bland. Quadrant 3 is you are nervous also, you're bland also, and you're not confident. So Abhi, if I ask you, Vikas, you tell me, where do you think you are right now, in which quadrant? Of course, quadrant 2 is आप impressive भी और आप confident भी हो, दोनों चीजें आप में.
According to me, ma'am, I am in quadrant 3, the nervous and bland thing. I can't smile while talking. That's one. And I get nervous when someone asks me unexpectedly something.
Okay, great. So this is a very good thing because that you know about yourself. Sometimes we don't even know about ourselves. So that is सबसे पहले अपने आप को समझना जरूरी है. We need to understand ourselves कि हम लोग असली में कहाँ lack कर रहे हैं life में. What is it that I need to groom about myself? If I don't know that what do I need to groom, मैं groom कैसे करूँगी, right? So that is a good one because that you know where do you lack and what is the reason why you're lacking. So that is now that you can work on those parameters to improve it. Great. Anybody else? Daisy, would you like to share?
I think quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1, okay. You impressive but little nervous. Okay, I can figure that out. Great. Anybody else who wants to share where they feel they are right now? Anyone?
Hello, ma'am. It's Sanjeev. Till now, I am not provided my introduction, but as per this graph, I feel like I'm relying on quadrant 1. So I felt sometimes nervous while I'm speaking. If on the spot, some questions I faced or some scenarios I faced, inside me, I feel some nervous, but all of a sudden, I can't manage that situations.
Okay. All right. Great, Sanjeev. So you would think you're in quadrant 1. Great. Fine. Anybody else who would want to share? Okay, anyone who feels he or she is in quadrant 2? Anyone? Or maybe, ठीक है, मतलब I'm not saying that if you say you are in quadrant 2, you will sound very confident. अगर आपको लगता है confident हो तो आप बोलो कि that yes, I think I am confident. And I and sir, we are there to help you. हम बताएंगे कि नहीं, maybe what you're thinking, यहाँ पे ये अभी lack कर रहा है. I think this is what you've joined UPSC for. We are there to handle it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I think I'm in quadrant 2, but really I feel nervous. Like really.
Sometimes. Okay, who was that? Sorry, I didn't understand.
It's me, Kanika.
Kanika, all right, great, Kanika. Okay, so you think that you're in quadrant 2 most of the times, but sometimes you get nervous.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great, nice. So guys, ये छोटी सी एक्टिविटी हमने इसलिए करी है, दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ग्रूम होने के लिए. जब तक हम सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन नहीं करेंगे, टिल द टाइम वी डोंट रियली सी दैट वेयर वी आर लैकिंग, हाउ विल वी improve. So that is why we do this activity. And keep this, maybe take a screenshot of this, or maybe I'll share the PPT with you all. Keep this quadrant with you, this graph with you, and maybe after 3 months, 6 months, then check it back again. Ki, have I improved? Have I really moved on to quadrant 2 or not? Or is there something still lacking? So this is just a little small activity on self-introspection. That is it. Self-evaluation, we call it. Yes? Great. Okay. Now, Abhi, we just spoke a little bit about verbal communication. Now let's come on to the importance of non-verbal communication, which is even more important than what you speak. किसी ने ये सुना है Mehrabian's rule? Has anyone ever heard of Mehrabian rule? No. Okay, I will quickly explain it then. Albert Mehrabian, he is basically a very renowned professor emeritus of psychology from the University of California. And he is the one who devised this Mehrabian rule. And he basically talks about the importance of, these three things. Words, that is our verbal communication. How important is it while communicating? He says it is only 7% of the communication that it forms in the entire paradigm of communication. Baki wo bolte hain 38% is the tone of voice. आप कैसे बात कर रहे हैं? आपकी आवाज में कॉन्फिडेंस है या नहीं? आपका रेट ऑफ स्पीच क्या है? आपका पिच क्या है? आपका वॉल्यूम क्या है? आपका टोन क्या है? अगर सपोज मैं बोल रही हूँ, if suppose somebody asks me, Swati, how are you feeling? I say, I feel good. Is my words, the words that I spoke, that I feel good, is it going with my face and is it going with my expression and everything? Yes, I feel good. It is not, right? But यही अगर मैं बोलूँ, yes, I feel great, I feel good. Do you see my entire body is speaking that? Did you? I hope I was able to convey what I want to convey from this small example.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So words only play a very minute role in the entire, communication that we do. It is your tone, and then 55% is your body language. Aapki body language kya hai? Now we will discuss that in detail. Now, when I say body language, it is your posture. Say when you enter the interview room, the pleasantries that you share or exchange with the, with the panel sitting there, how you sit, how you move your hands, how calm and confident you look. All these things, they come under this non-verbal communication. And one ground rule and ground reality of life is that you cannot not communicate. I hope you get that. We are always communicating. हम बोले या ना बोले, हम हमेशा communicate करते हैं through our appearance, through our body language, through the way we are moving our hands, through the way we are walking, through the way we are sitting, standing, lying down, everything. We are conveying some meaning, some communication to the outside world. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the three elements of communication, which is words, tone of voice, and body language. And when all these three are in synchronization, that is when you will be able to convey a expressionful, meaning of what you want to convey to the other person. So we always have to make sure कि हमारी ये तीनों चीजें congruence में हैं. That is when we will be able to communicate 100% effective way. Okay. So this is done now. Has anyone heard of this word kinesics?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, who was that?
Pooja.
Pooja, you heard of this word kinesics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please share with everybody what does this mean? What does this imply?
Like, ma'am, it means that the way we are sitting, talking, it's related to body and gestures that we and the paralanguage features of an individual.
Exactly. So this is basically the study of posture, movement, gestures, and facial expression. Now, suppose जब आप interview के room में enter कर रहे हैं, so how will you enter? What will you say? So please make sure when you are entering that room, you knock it first, you open it little, you request for the permission. Okay, you request that, sir, may I come in? And then you enter. We don't enter just like that कि आपका नाम call out हो गया तो आप सीधे चले जाओ. No, we can't do that. All right. Then you need to offer pleasantry the moment you enter the room and say, now you tell me something. Say there are 2 or 3 people sitting as the panel. So how will you greet them? Can anyone tell me? What will you say?
I would like to do it.
Yes, please, Vikas, go ahead.
First of all, I'll wish them good morning or good afternoon, whatever it is. First to the chairman, then to the lady member, and then to other members in that order.
Okay. Now, because one thing I want to tell you, you are right. Yes. But sometimes what happens, you don't even know who's the chairman.
Ma'am, usually he sits in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now,
Because let me come in, ma'am. Because who
Yes,
told
sir.
you the order? Who told you the order?
Sir, I think one of the topper told me.
That is the misconception. Whatever the toppers do, we take it granted. We take it like on face value. Like
Okay.
we keep saying that ladies should be greeted first. We always say like this. In army also, and other I think professional life also, ladies get precedence over anybody.
Okay.
Even if the president is standing, his lady wife will get precedence.
Okay.
So it is all about like your what to say, greeting them, the first impression. And if there are many ladies, then if
Then
there
I
are
don't
many
know.
ladies, more than one,
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
and if there is the lady president or the chairwoman, then
I think first we should wish that lady chairman only. It fulfills both the principles, I think.
yeah, but madam was right, because you don't know what happens. It's a round table. In Dholpur house, it's a round table conference. So even people like no were not knowing who is the chairman. They used to read the nameplate, okay, who will be sitting inside. So if like you see that this lady member of UPSC now heading this board, then you will definitely come to know. But what about the male members? So in that case, like you make a guess, like 5 member will be sitting. So you pinpoint that the central man will be the chairman.
At least
Isn't
this
it?
I was planning to do.
Yeah, yeah, but still, I'll suggest you, if you find lady there, you spot lady there, you please greet her first.
Okay.
And chairman does not have anything extra. Like no, it's like the all 3 or 4 male members, you will rate them at par. What I mean to say, like you will greet them in one go. Good morning, sir.
Exactly.
Khatam.
Yes.
Khatam.
Yes. In fact, if there are more than 3 members sitting, if you say, go and greet, good morning, sir, good morning, ma'am, good morning, sir, good morning.
This is, madam, this is the thing. People keep telling these guys that you should do like this. And it was a big surprise to me when in my mock interviews, like these youngsters will come and they will start doing like this. And it appears so funny.
Yeah, that's what, exactly.
They will be laughing at you, yeah.
Exactly. Say, there are, say, 2 people sitting as a panel. If you go for an interview, there's just 2 people. You can still greet them individually. It is still, आपने 2 बारी बोल भी दिया, good morning, sir, good morning, ma'am, it is okay. But say if there are 4 people, 5 people, आप 5 बारी बोलोगे, आप funny लगोगे.
It will be 5 members, ma'am.
It
So
will-
5 लोगों को आप एक बार good morning, ma'am, good morning, sir, good morning, sir, good morning, sir. एंड आपको खुद को भी इतना अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाएगा उस टाइम पे, आपको लगेगा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यार.
So it is
true. I'm telling you, this happens when you are not prepared and when you take the things like no on face value.
Very true, sir. Yes.
Guys, please, I keep telling them, toppers ने जो भी किया है ना, वो उस टाइम पे उनके लिए ठीक था. Whatever worked out for them, that was only and only for them and also for that time of moment. अगर टॉपर को दोबारा एग्जाम देंगे ना, उसका पीडीएफ भी में नाम भी नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, और आपके जैसे ही टॉपर बनेंगे. लेट मी टेल यू, लास्ट टाइम जब मैं इंटरव्यू ले रहा था लोगों का, तब मैंने यही बात बोली थी. आज मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, आप में से ही टॉपर बनेंगे. और आज जो आप बोल रहे हो कि सर ऐसे करना है कि वैसे करना है, बाद में आप जो बड़े बड़े स्पीच दोगे ना लोगों को, और बाकी यंगस्टर्स जो हैं आपको फॉलो करेंगे, उनके लिए फिर से एक कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होगा. ठीक है, मुझे पता है लोग क्या लिखते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, लेकिन अगर उनका उस टाइम पे क्लिक हो गया, सही लगा, all respect to their capabilities and IQ and all, but please don't take things on face value. What I mean to say, हर कोई इस एग्जाम को लेके डरा हुआ है, किसी के पास कोई सक्सेस मंत्रा नहीं है. ठीक है, एंड किसी को ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि उसका नंबर 1 आएगा या उसका निकल भी जाएगा प्री या मेंस भी निकल जाएगा, उसको भी ये नहीं पता है. इवन द टॉपर डज नॉट नो कि उसका मेंस निकलेगा कि नहीं निकलेगा. यार उसका ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 आना तो सपने से भी दूर की बात है. ठीक है.
यस.
एंड लाइक वील होस्ट इट अगेन. आप में से जब टॉपर बनोगे तो मैं आपको इनवाइट करूंगा. मेरा एक शो चलता है कॉफी विद कर्नल, एंड तब आप मुझे बताना ये सब बातें. तब आपके फेस से सुनना चाहूंगा, ये मुंह से सुनना चाहूंगा ये चीज कि आपने क्या किया था उस टाइम पे. ठीक है.
ओके.
लास्ट टाइम हमने एक मॉक इंटरव्यू कराया मैंने, और आई रियली लाइक द वे दैट फेलो प्रेजेंटेड टू अस, एंड आई गेव हिम गारंटी कि लेस देन 175 नहीं आएगा आपको. और हमने उसको पहले ही लाइव कर दिया. उस इंटरव्यू को हमने रिजल्ट से पहले ही लाइव कर दिया था. उसके इंटरव्यू, खुद के इंटरव्यू से भी पहले मैंने लाइव कर दिया उस इंटरव्यू को, एंड दैट फेलो गेट 179 मार्क्स. दैट वाज द कॉन्फिडेंस. इवन माय IMP, दैट इज इंटरव्यू मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम, हम लोग 170 मार्क्स की गारंटी दे रहे हैं. And because of my team, that shows the quality of the grooming. Second thing, I keep telling them that it's not about your intelligence or displaying of so out of box thinking. It's all about managing the theater. That is the reason I kept the name interview management program, not the guidance program, not the mentoring program. It's the management program. You will have to manage those 20 or 30 minutes. That is preview to only and only you. आप क्या करके आ रहे हो अंदर, कुछ नहीं पता. रिजल्ट आया, आपके नंबर अच्छे आ गए, आप बोलोगे मैंने तो फोड़ दिया था इंटरव्यू. ठीक है. चाहे आपने कुछ भी किया हो अंदर, यार आपका सब कुछ नंबर 1 है. अगर आपका मार्क्स आ गए और आपका वहां पे नाम आ गया लिस्ट में, रैंक आ गया, ऑल इंडिया रैंक. अगर नहीं आया तो आप बोलोगे यार मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा किया था, फिर भी नहीं हुआ. ओके. एंड ये जो नहीं हुआ, ये सब चीज के बीच में ना एक बस थोड़ा सा ही वो है, एंड वो वहीं पे आपका मैनेजमेंट स्किल आनी चाहिए. कनेक्टिंग विद द इंटरव्यूअर्स, प्रेजेंटिंग योर व्यूज एंड एक्सप्रेशन, लाइक योर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, योर डिसिसिवनेस, ये सब चीजें उस टाइम पे काम करती है. एंड हाउ विल यू अचीव ऑल दीज थिंग? बाय प्रैक्टिस. सो ये मैडम ने जो बताया, स्वाति मैम ने, एलिवेटर पिच मैंने बहुत लोगों को ये दिया हुआ था पहले से ही, होमवर्क दिया हुआ था. उसमें भी लोग एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इंटरव्यू को लेके कोई सीरियस नहीं है. पीपल डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली. उनको लगता है कि वो बाद में देख लेंगे, 5 दिन पहले ना मॉक इंटरव्यू करके समझ लेंगे, देख लेंगे. आधी जनता तो डेफ पे ही भरी हुई रह जाती है कि डेफ में मैंने हॉबी ये लिखी है, डेफ में मेरा अचीवमेंट ये लिखा हुआ, उसमें मैं क्या क्वेश्चन करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, वहीं पे रह जाती है. सो कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब यार कंटेंट तो एक चीज है ना, कंटेंट भी तो होना चाहिए. आप जो बोलोगे वो तो होना चाहिए ना. डिलीवरी के बारे में आज हम बात कर रहे हैं. सो मैम, ओवर टू यू प्लीज.
Thank you so much, sir. So I hope we are clear with how we have to, pass on the pleasantries, and it is mandatory to pass on the pleasantries. You can't just like say, may I come in, sir, may I come in, ma'am, and then plainly go and sit there. You need to greet them, and let's not greet them one by one. Let's just greet them together. And yes, probably if there is a lady, you can say good afternoon, ma'am, and then you can say good afternoon, sir. That's it. Then you have to look at everybody. मेक श्योर ये नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ अगर एक को गुड आफ्टरनून बोल दिया तो आपने उन्हीं को देखकर आप बैठ गए. आपने बेशक बोला एक बारी बट आपने देखा सबको. All right, so that because that good afternoon is for everybody. Eye contact is very, very important. And now next topic is only, sorry. Okay, yeah. First is, before we move on to eye contact, this do you see the screen? I think it is very self-explanatory. हम जब जाके उस सीट, हम अपनी hot seat पे जाके बैठेंगे तो हम कैसे बैठेंगे, right? Do you see it on the left side? Of course, that is a complete no. You can't slouch, you can't cross your legs, you can't fold your arms. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हम कर सकते. We only have to be sitting the way the gentleman and that lady is sitting on the right hand side, right? So this is the way to take your seat. No arm folding, and especially for men, your knees have to be a little distance apart. They should not be joined together because join कौन करता है? Ladies join करती हैं. जेंट्स कभी अपने नीज जॉइन नहीं करते, वो बहुत फेमिनिन लगता है.
Very good point. Very good point. I must tell them यार, it's really take home message. अगर आज का कुछ भी मिल रहा है ना तो ये पोस्चर तो एटलीस्ट आप सीख लीजिए. This is very very important. ये चीज कोई नहीं बताने वाला आपको, क्योंकि दिखता नहीं है वहाँ पे. लोग ना जो सोच नहीं पाते तो वो बता नहीं पाते ना.
So this is very very important. आप यहाँ पे जो आप देख रहे हैं, for girls it is very important to keep your knees together. आप खोल के नहीं बैठ सकते और वो बंद करके नहीं बैठ सकते, बहुत सीधी सी बात है. Yes, and no, as on the left, no crossing of legs, no folding of arms. Your arms have to be just right on your knees. और maximum अगर आपको हल्का सा ऐसे fold करना है, आप हल्का सा fold करके आगे रख सकते हैं. But then you cannot fold your arms. I hope that's clear. It's pretty simple and straightforward, right?
मैम इसमें क्या होता है कि शुरू में जब जाएगा ना बंदा तब तो बहुत अटेंटिव होता है. 10 मिनट के बाद में ना वो ए और बी में से किसी में पहुंच जाता है.
Actually problem यही है सर, ये हमको प्रैक्टिस से आएगा. हम इस चीज को डेलिबरेटली अपने लाइफस्टाइल में हमको डालना पड़ेगा इस चीज को. We are not only preparing you for interview. Please understand this has to be inculcated for life, because आपने कल को एक ऑफिसर बनना है. Your cadre is going to be so high that you need to operate at a certain level. And till the time you don't do that, people, ठीक है, अब आप ऑफिसर बन गए, लोगों को आपको एक बेसिक रिस्पेक्ट तो देनी है, बट आपकी पीठ पीछे आपका मजाक बनाएंगे कि यार बैठना तक नहीं आता है आईएएस ऑफिसर. So these lessons are for life, because हमको we have to come across as very polished officers, not just कि हमने पढ़ाई करके हम बस IAS बन गए. हमारे में our demeanor, our aura speaks for us. That is what we need to aim at. All right. Now this is again a very interesting topic. Oculesics. ये नाम बड़ा difficult सा लगता है. Oculesics है कुछ नहीं. This is simple eye contact. Okay, eye contact I think we all know is very important. जब तक आप इंसान को देख के बात नहीं करेंगे, आप पहले मुझे ये बताओ, eye contact हम किस चीज से equate करते हैं? Can anyone tell me? 2 चीजें मेन है जिससे eye contact equate होता है. In the sense, जब wonderful. Who said that?
Lydia here.
Lydia, wonderful. One is confidence. एक और चीज होती है. I'll tell you, honesty. Yes, बोलते हैं ना, ये मेरी आंख में देख के बात कर रहा है, इसका मतलब सच्चा इंसान है, right? I mean, generally, yes. But right now we are not talking about honesty here. We are talking about confidence here. Yes, when you look into somebody's eye, you look confident. But मैं सिर्फ confidence तक नहीं रहूंगी. I want to explain you very important aspect of eye contact, which is there are 2 types of gazes. एक होती है social gaze और एक होती है par gaze. ठीक है, दोनों gazes में you are looking at people, you are looking at the person with whom you are talking, but there is a huge difference between the way you are looking at them. Now, talking about social gaze. What is social gaze? Social gaze is when you are having a very normal discussions or maybe a normal chit chat with it's an informal, discussion that is happening with somebody. So social gaze में हम generally पता है इंसान को कहाँ देखते हैं? Do you see this picture, the triangle? So this is the area of social gaze. आप अगर note करोगे, whenever you're talking to your friends or whenever you are in an informal setup, you will always look at in this triangle. आप एक जगह पे fix नहीं देखते कभी भी. आप कभी एक लेफ्ट आई को देखोगे, आप नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आप राइट आई देखोगे, या कभी आप नोज की तरफ देखोगे, कभी आप उनके माउथ की तरफ देखोगे. अननोइंगली वी डू दैट. Because हम एक social gaze, generally we are looking at the person without really giving any intimidating or a power gaze to that person. Power gaze comes into play when somebody is trying to intimidate you or somebody is trying to evaluate you. Generally, अगर आप कहीं काम कर रहे हैं तो आपका बॉस आपको एक पावर गेज दे सकता है, एंड इंटरव्यू में इंटरव्यूअर आपको पावर गेज ही देते हैं, वो आपको सोशल गेज नहीं देते, क्योंकि उनका काम है आपको इवैल्यूएट करना. वो देख रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे ये इंसान क्या है, और वो जो पावर गेज होती है ना, वो जनरली इट्स हियर. You know, they will keep staring at you. I mean, because like if you are sitting in that hot seat, I will just keep staring at you like that, and I will ask you intimidating I will ask you normal question, but मैं अपनी आंखों से आपको डराने की कोशिश करूंगी. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
तो वहां पे डरना नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि वो जो इंटिमिडेटिंग पावर गेज होती है वो इंटरव्यूअर्स के लिए होती है, और आपने वो पावर गेज वापस नहीं देनी. आपने अपनी गेज सोशल गेज रखनी है. You are looking at them, there is an eye contact, but you can't give them that power gaze. अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ, you know, we can't do that, right? We need to maintain a very nice and a very pleasant social gaze wherein we are looking at their faces in general in this triangle anywhere, and we don't have to be intimidated by their power gaze. Hope that's clear.
Yeah.
Great.
Ma'am, we can take one question here. Anybody would like to know anything?
Any questions? Anybody till now? Please ask me.
Let me come to Fatima. Yeah, Fatima, how are you doing? Fatima, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
evening. How are you, Fatima?
Yes, sir. I'm good, sir.
Okay, Fatima is our offline classroom student at YJEC.
Okay, great.
Yeah, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to know anything from madam?
Sir, actually, in interviews, I have just now heard about the social gaze and power gaze. And sir, I had a doubt that a few minutes back, ma'am said about the quadrants, right? So I had a doubt that what about the people who are nervous and even though they smile all the time? Like, yes.
Nervous and smiling, क्या छुपा रहे हो टाइप वाली बात होगी ये तो.
थोड़ा सा
Okay, great. Madam, please answer.
आपका क्वेश्चन ये है कि if you are nervous and you are smiling also.
Yeah, at the same time.
So that is fine, Fatima. That can happen. But I'm just saying that nervousness को हमको हटाना है before we enter that room. You can't be nervous when you enter that room. You have to be confident. आपको इतने mock sessions करने हैं sir के साथ, and you know in your internally in UPSC that you get over that nervousness, because अगर आप nervous होंगे कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके face पे reflect करेगा, and even if you are smiling, you know,
yes,
it still reflects on the face. Nervousness is one thing which you can't hide. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You have to overcome that nervousness, and that is why we are having all these sessions. आपके mock sessions भी इसीलिए planned होते हैं, so that आप इतनी practice करो उसमें कि आपकी nervousness हट जाए.
Okay, ma'am.
And say even if you are nervous, you will have to, you know, I would say that sometimes, you know, even I am nervous at times, you know, when I have to take sessions at big forums or, you know, with bigger crowds and all of that. एक second के लिए nervousness हर इंसान को होती है. But
yes,
then
ma'am.
उस चीज को आपको अपने ऑडियंस को नहीं दिखाना. आपके ऑडियंस इस केस में आपके इंटरव्यूअर हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The best thing is, मैं इस पॉइंट पे आगे आऊंगी. आपकी नर्वसनेस पता है कब हटती है फातिमा? When you have that self confidence in you. जब
yes,
आपको अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ की वैल्यू पता है, जब आप में सेल्फ एस्टीम है, जब आप में आपकी सेल्फ इमेज पॉजिटिव है.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले सबसे पहले तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है that you need to work on having a very positive self image.
Okay, ma'am.
You are a capable person of achieving this. जब तक यहाँ पे नहीं जीतोगे ना, तब तक ऑन पेपर भी नहीं जीतोगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So
yes, ma'am.
work here first and then apply that on ground as well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Okay, so before we move on, एक छोटा सा I want to explain one more small thing, very small but again very important. I don't know how many of you have heard this word chromatics. Chromatics basically is the study of smell. Why am I telling you this? Because आप लोग जब interview room में जाते हैं, you need to smell pleasant. You can't be reeking off your your sweat, right? वहां पे जाके you can't make other people feel uncomfortable because of your body odor. This is a very small thing और हमको ये चीज पता ही नहीं चलती है because बहुत बारी हमें अपना body odor आता ही नहीं है. But make sure, ask your friends, ask your family, because जो आपसे close लोग हैं वो आपको बताएंगे. हाँ, yes, Vikas, do you have a body odor or you don't have a body odor? So please make sure that you apply some sort of a deo or a perfume, whatever. I leave that to you. You guys are very smart people. You know probably more than me which deo or which perfume to apply. And I really hope that you know what are pulse points. Where do you need to apply your perfume? I think you can read it online. It's given in very nice details that you need to apply it on the pulse points. And there are a couple of pulse points on the body. One is this. Then you have to apply it here. जहाँ पे हमारे joints होते हैं. We need to apply it here. This is. हम pulse points पे क्यों apply करते हैं? इसलिए करते हैं because wherever there is this nerve which is twitching, वहाँ पे the body temperature is little higher. And perfumes always get activated in higher temperature. That is the reason why they say that you apply your perfume on the pulse points. And guys, one more thing. अपने आप को नहलाना नहीं है परफ्यूम में. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अच्छा बॉडी ओडर है बस सब जगह लगा लो. We don't have to do that. Because आपका बॉडी ओडर तो शायद वो बर्दाश्त फिर भी कर लेंगे. But if you are literally drenched in a perfume or a deodorant, people will get very claustrophobic there, right? So this has to be done very sensibly, and I understand and I know you are all very sensible enough to know what is the right amount of application, right? But make sure that you are smelling pleasant when you enter the room. That's it. Any questions on this? Yes, Vikas.
So ma'am, I usually don't talk with people by looking into their eyes. I do it in a very casual manner. I don't have a habit of that. So when I do it intentionally, my behavior turns a bit robotic. The smile goes away, the movement of the neck and eyes, it turns very predetermined and robotic like this. I no more remain casual at that point in time.
Okay, now I will give you a quick remedy of this. The good part here is that you will have 5 people sitting there. आपने एक इंसान की तरफ रेगुलरली देखना भी नहीं है, आपने सबको देखना है. And you need to just have a social gaze. आप अपनी normal बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे आप अभी मेरे से बात कर रहे हैं. अभी तो चलो we are not in a physical session, but when we are addressing say about 5 people, so you are generally looking at everybody and talking like this, right? So you can continue doing that. But एक चीज है, आई कॉन्टैक्ट का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने उनकी फेसेस की तरफ देखना है, आपने नीचे देख के बात नहीं करनी है. And I think what I can gauge from whatever discussion I've had with you, you sound confident. Okay, you sound confident. It's just that you need to look at their faces while talking, and you don't have to look down, and you just have to keep gazing at them in a very social way. You don't have to like literally look at somebody in particular and try and talk there. No. Keep yourself calm. सबसे जरूरी है अपने आप को काम रखना. पैनिक नहीं करना हमने, बस that is important. जब आप पैनिक नहीं करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली you will see that you are behaving in a very normal way. आप रोबोटिक पता कब होते होगे? जब आप नर्वस होते हो.
Yeah.
Exactly. आप रोबोटिक होगे तब आप you will never be robotic till the time you feel confident and you are calm and composed by talking.
When you enter that formal setting and when you look at their face, those intimidating face, then the issue starts.
Exactly. So get over it during your mock sessions, because I think the setup is absolutely the same in mock sessions, right?
Yes. We are planning to have offline mock interviews. Thankful.
But sir, this corona issue has created so much uncertainty. I don't think offline would be possible, especially that I'm not in Delhi.
Yes.
Though I'm in NCR, but traveling would be a major issue.
Yeah. Issue is with the corona precautions, and like the 19th I had planned at JP Siddharth, but I think my faculty members are also not much convinced to come there, so we'll have an online only. When is your interview scheduled, Vikas?
Sir, it's 4th of May.
4th of May. Okay.
And I have opted for a Hindi medium for the interview.
Great. So why are you not speaking Hindi?
I thought maybe I can start with English here.
No,
It's
no.
only
Now
about
I
the
tell you.
confidence.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no major issue of language as such. It's that if I'm confident, I can speak in either of them, but I'm a bit more comfortable in Hindi.
No,
So
no.
I
If
thought it would
you
be a better
have
idea.
given in writing, if you have given in writing Hindi as your medium of interview,
No, sir. I have given my mains in English, and
no, no.
the
But you
interview is
must
in
have
Hindi.
opted. Yeah, you must have opted for Hindi, na, in
Yeah, sir.
interview.
Yeah.
So when are you going to declare that yes, sir, I want to talk in Hindi? When? Tell me.
I think since I have mentioned while filling the form itself, so I think they might be expecting me to speak in Hindi only.
They
But
might be expecting. Okay, they might be expecting.
okay,
You
so
cannot
I'll
assume it.
just
You cannot
declare
assume
it
it.
beforehand.
No.
That,
And how will you declare it? When you
sir,
will declare it?
sir, with your due permission, I would like to speak in Hindi, and I
You
have
are
opted.
asking permission also in English. Just see.
Sir, I thought.
No. Last
Okay.
time the same thing happened with one of the student, and like we were ruthless, and I think we could instill that type of confidence in him. What I told him that like ना वो आ गया अंदर और उसके बहुत देर बाद में जब क्वेश्चन शुरू हुए वो सडनली एकदम से बोलता है कि सर सॉरी सर मेरा मीडियम तो हिंदी है सर एंड इट वाज समथिंग कि लाइक इट वाज एस्केप है ना so we started laughing we said यार why didn't you tell us तो सेम थिंग ही टोल्ड कि सर वो एक्चुअली मैंने तो इसमें लिखा हुआ है सर तो the chairman got angry. He said, do you think that we should have gone through your DAP thoroughly and I should have briefed my panelists that the chap is coming and we should be in Hindi? So that chap got our point. Then lastly we briefed him and I told him, when you enter the room, then and there should be the announcement. And how will you make this announcement rather than going by saying that, sir, mera interview Hindi mein hai, you just say, Namaste, sir. Namaste, madam. That will be a clue to the board member that this chap belongs to Hindi medium. And they will definitely go to your the DAF and they will find it out that yes, his medium is Hindi. Rather than doing, may I come in, sir? Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. With due permission, I would like to go in Hindi. Why to waste time?
Very true.
Sir, I have one doubt also, but
yes.
It's okay. We can discuss it post this session, as this session is not about the UPSC interview. We can continue the session. We'll discuss
okay,
after.
I'm open to. Okay.
Okay.
Kirandeep is there. She is again my student from Chandigarh, Punjab. Kirandeep, I think we are missing you. Would you like to know anything from madam?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So I had a doubt regarding the body language part. So when the interview room is quite a big room and there's a lot of space to walk in from up to the door to our chair. So within that time, how should we maintain eye contact? Should we look at the chairman or the panelist or yeah?
No. What you do is while walking, when you enter the room, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take about 10 odd steps or 12 odd steps to go to your chair. So when you say, may I come in, sir? The moment you close the door, then you start wishing them while walking towards your chair.
Okay, ma'am.
वहाँ पे उनको विश नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप सावधान में नहीं खड़े हैं वहाँ पे.
Okay, ma'am.
You were just slowly started walking towards your chair while you are wishing them, good morning, ma'am, good morning, everybody, good morning, sir. ऐसे करते करते आप अपनी चेयर तक पहुंच गए. एंड इनफैक्ट वहां पे आप जाके एक और चीज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अगेन टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम देम एंड से, सर मे आई टेक माय सीट. यू कैन ऑलवेज से दैट आल्सो, ऑल्दो इट्स जस्टिफाइड कि आपने जाके बैठना ही है वहां पे. उनको भी पता है.
नहीं, they will offer. Yeah. They are not supposed to go and sit. Just please wait for the instruction from the chairman. He or she will definitely tell you, please take your seat. Yeah. Sit down, make yourself comfortable, say thank you ma'am, thank you sir, जो भी है. एंड यहाँ पे जो इसने बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है किरण ने, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ. बीइंग एन आर्मी मैन, हमें सैल्यूट करने का बड़ा वो है ना, तो जब भी हम जाएंगे सैल्यूट करेंगे. अब जब मैं अपने इंटरव्यू में गया तो सैल्यूट का मोड आ गया मेरा जैसे मैं घुसा अंदर, लेकिन आई वाज नॉट वेयरिंग द हेड गियर. तो मुझे लगा कि अभी मैं क्या करूँ, ठीक ना, एकदम से मैं सोचा यार अभी मैं चलते हुए गुड मॉर्निंग गुड इवनिंग मैम करना है, क्या करना है, तो मैं रुक गया एंड वो जय हिंद वाली पोजीशन में ही आई सेड जय हिंद सर, जय हिंद मैम। तो मतलब इट वाज कि लोगों को लगा कि यार ये फौजी आ गया है, एंड आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बड़ा अच्छा हो गया। नहीं तो मैं बिल्कुल ही एकदम से लॉस्ट हो गया था कि मैं अभी मतलब क्या बोलूं टाइप, किधर बोलूं टाइप, क्योंकि मेरा हाथ तो उठने वाला था जय हिंद करने के लिए एंड आई वाज नॉट वियरिंग माय कैप, सो आई कुड नॉट डू दैट। सो ये चीज जो आपने पूछा है वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यू बीइंग ए लेडी आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि स्लो पेस रहेगा आपका एंड यू आर कंपोज्ड, यू विल बी इन योर साड़ी, ओके। सो साड़ी के साथ में वैसे भी आप फास्ट मूव नहीं कर सकती हैं।
Yes,
तो आप, मैडम ने सही बोला, आप चलते चलते आप विश कर दीजिए, उस समय तक आप अंदर भी हो जाएंगे एंड जाके अपनी चेयर के पास खड़े हो जाइए, ठीक है। दे विल से द चेयरमैन विल डेफिनेटली इंस्ट्रक्ट यू, प्लीज टेक योर सीट। तो
Okay, sir.
अगर वो नहीं बोलता है तो प्लीज डोंट पुल द चेयर।
No, and then they can ask, sir, maybe that may I take the seat?
नहीं, they will not start the interview or conversation like before letting her in the chair.
Yes.
So it's better to wait and they will definitely say, so pull the chair swiftly without any noise and sit down. साड़ी को ठीक करो अपना, जैसे मैडम ने पोस्चर बताया अभी, वो पोस्चर रखो। सेम फॉर द जेंटलमैन, जेंटलमैन भी वैसे खड़े हो ना, अपनी टाई वाई को पहले ही बाहर जब घुसने से पहले ठीक करके जाना है, ठीक है। बालों को ठीक करना है, इफ़ यू आर वियरिंग स्पेक्स और नाउ तो आई थिंक मास्क भी होगा और फेस शील्ड भी हो सकती है। आई थिंक दे विल इम्पोज दोज कोविड प्रिकॉशंस, सो वो सब आपके साथ में रहेंगे। और उसके बाद में आई थिंक अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो यू कैन आस्क, यू कैन सीक द परमिशन टू रिमूव योर फेस शील्ड, और अगर गैप है तो आप आई थिंक मास्क भी उठा सकते हैं, वो बता देंगे आपको खुद ही।
Okay, sir.
Here I'll tell you a very interesting thing. Like last session we had with General Sahai, and he told 3 things. Before you enter the room, 3 things preset before you. One is your nose, second is your tummy, and third is your shoes. Okay, so nose means the confidence, and tummy means your physique. If somebody is having obesity or overweight, this is the right time to come in safe. You should not look like an obese person because it gives very wrong impression to the interviewers that the chap could not, I think, keep a good health. तो वो बाकी को क्या सिखाएगा, बाकी को क्या ध्यान रखने वाला है। And third is shoes. Shoes means your attire. Everything should be neatly number 1 dress जिसे बोलते हैं। और सबसे बड़ी गलती हम जो करते हैं वो ड्रेस हम उसी दिन निकालते हैं या तो हम रात को खरीद के लाते हैं या इवनिंग में खरीद के लाते हैं और उसी दिन निकालते हैं, सुबह ही निकाल के पहनते हैं। प्लीज डोंट डू लाइक दिस। एटलीस्ट 2 wearing should be there and make yourself comfortable in that. Have mock test even that attire only which you are going to wear on that D-Day, so that you will be comfortable. You will know कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, मेरा फाइनल वो कैसे आने वाला है, ठीक है। Make your videos, practice before the mirrors, practice before your family members, practice before your friends. So this is my advice. Madam, over to you.
Yes, sir. But I am about to finish. I think we've already discussed this at length, paralinguistics, that you know, जब आप introduction दे रहे हैं या जब आप उनको answers दे रहे हैं, आपने ये ensure करना है कि आपका जो volume है वो ना बहुत loud हो, ना ही बिल्कुल इतना कम हो कि उनको सुने ही ना। It should be appropriate, जितना एक room में रूम की जो विड्थ है उसके हिसाब से आपने अपने वॉल्यूम को सेट करना है। यू हैव टू साउंड कॉन्फिडेंट, बट यू डोंट, आपने ना चिल्लाना नहीं है, बट आपने ठीक से एक नॉर्मल वॉल्यूम में बात करनी है। आपका पिच है, जो आपके पॉजेज हैं, दे ऑल हैव टू बी इन कॉन्ग्रुएंस। अगर आप सपोज करिए आपकी रेट ऑफ स्पीच ही बहुत तेज है, आप बहुत तेज बोल रहे हैं, लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आएगा आप क्या बोल रहे हैं। तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स हम रियलाइज, जैसे विकास यू आर लिटिल फास्ट इन स्पीकिंग, ऑल्दो समझ आ रहा है आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट अगर आप थोड़ा सा डेलिब्रेट एफर्ट करके इफ यू स्पीक योर वर्ड्स वेरी क्लियरली, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक स्लोली, but then you have to just make an effort to make sure that जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो दूसरे को ठीक से कन्वे हो जाए। आपके कोई वर्ड्स आपने अपने मुंह में, you don't have to eat your words। हम बोलते हैं ना अंग्रेज लोग क्या करते हैं, दे स्टार्ट ईटिंग देयर वर्ड्स, वो अपना टंग रोल करते हैं, दे स्पीक सो फास्ट दैट हाफ ऑफ द वर्ड समझ ही नहीं आते. तो हमें बहुत फास्ट नहीं बोलना, हमें अपनी जो टोन है, पिच है, वॉल्यूम है, इन सब चीजों का बहुत ध्यान रखना. Alright, so that we come across as a very polished and very, very calm and composed person, because this position that you want to take on, people have to be very, very calm, have to be very sensible, have to be actually, they have to have the eye to understand कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. That बोलते हैं ना, एक demeanor ही अलग होता है एक IAS officer का. So we need to carry, we need to already display that demeanor there in the interview.
Great.
Alright? Great. Again, I think this sir ने पहले बता दिया क्या पहनना है. Clothes communicate, और same day नहीं निकाल के पहनना, because clothes communicate. Yes, अगर आपने उसी दिन निकाल के अपने कपड़े पहन लिए तो वो दिखेगा कि या तो वो ठीक से आयरन नहीं है, या वो शायद फेडेड हो सकता है, या वो इतना नया है कि शायद टैग ही निकालना भूल गए. Randomly anything can happen, right? So your clothes, because they are very important, they communicate. And एक और very important point I want to bring out here is never downplay your executive presence. आप लोग IAS officers बनने वाले हैं या IPS officers बनने वाले हैं, you're getting into civil services. You have to start dressing like an officer from now on.
Yes, that's very important. Like मैं भी एक बच्चे को मेंटर कर रहा था, उस बच्चे ने अपने इतनी सारी सेविंग स्टेप बढ़ा रखी है, एंड मतलब वो टी शर्ट और निकर में घूमता रहता है एंड ऑल. अब वो 2 दिन पहले जब पहनने लगे ना, वो खुद को उसको लगेगा कि मैं क्या पहन रहा हूँ.
Exactly. आप comfortable नहीं होंगे. Yes.
So formalization should start right now.
Very true.
Like जो आपको पहनने की चीजें हैं, फॉर्मल जो ड्रेसिंग सेंस है मैडम जो बता रही है, वो अभी से आपके अंदर आना चाहिए, बिकॉज क्लोथ्स कम्युनिकेट. इट्स रियली एंड इट्स इफेक्टिव. अगर आप खुद कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहेंगे कपड़ों में, तो मुझे लगता है कि उस दिन ये विजिबल होगा ही होगा आपके चेहरे पे.
Very true. Yes.
Sir, I would like to add one thing. Actually, it's a suggestion to those who have not wear the formal clothes before. Please try doing it. You will feel a different aura coming out of those formal clothes.
Yes.
I have tried it and I have tested.
Very
Good
good,
one.
Vikas. Very good.
Yes. So
ड्रेस को लेके किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन? फॉर लेडीज इट विल बी ए प्लेन साड़ी, एंड ये ब्लाउज I think very appropriate.
Yes.
For the gentlemen, I think again rightly picked up. Only thing, my suggestion, this type of tie will not work. So यहाँ पे आप plain tie रख सकते हैं.
Yes.
और white shirt will be okay. White shirt के साथ में कोई भी tie चल जाएगा, रेड ब्लैक और किसी भी तरह का. एंड इसको लेके ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट मत करना. वहाँ पे लोग बोलेंगे गर्मी आ रही है, गर्मी में तुम सूट पहन रहे हो, बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है यार. सो प्लीज डोंट लिसन टू एनीबॉडी. मतलब एक बंदे को तो ये तक बोला था कि तुम्हें क्या लग रहा था हम बाहर इंटरव्यू करने वाले हैं. दिस एसी रूम एंड दे, मतलब बोर्ड मेंबर्स वर ड्रेस्ड इन सूट्स एंड ब्लेजर्स, एंड बंदा पहन के जा रहा है, ऐसे टाई लगा के जा रहा है, बस ओपन कॉलर होके जा रहा है. So it is I think unexpected, I will say. जैसे मैम ने बोला कि this is for the all India services यार. Communication is not about what you are going to tell them. It's about कि आपके हाथ में वो चीज़ दी जा सकती है जिससे आप कल को DM बनेंगे, SP बनेंगे. क्राउड मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा आपको, अपने CM को बताना पड़ेगा, PM से बात करनी पड़ेगी, अपने यंगस्टर्स को मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा. Do you have that charming personality?
True.
आपके पास ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो आप डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फ्लोरी लैंग्वेज और हाई क्लास शशि थरूर लाइक इंग्लिश. प्लीज, कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट अबाउट दिस. कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल अबाउट डिलीवरिंग द मैसेज करेक्टली. एंड हाउ विल इट बी कंफर्म? व्हेन द रिसीवर गेट्स the message rightly.
Absolutely.
और यहाँ पे आपके रिसीवर्स कौन है? जो आपके पैनलिस्ट बैठे हुए हैं. अगर वो लगता है आपको सुन रहे हैं, ढंग से आपकी बात मान रहे हैं, आगे प्रोसीड हो रहा है, मतलब एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग वेल. अपने आप को थोड़ा इवेल्यूएट करते रहो कि हाँ मैं सही जा रहा हूँ. एंड जो मैडम ने बोला गेजिंग की, उसमें ऐसा होता है कि लाइक ट्राइंग टू एंगेज देम एवरीवन। ऐसा होता है कि एक जना क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, 4 लोग चुप रहेंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि यू आर अवॉइडिंग देम।
Yes, you feel that everybody.
तो वो कहते हैं ना, ससरी नजर से एक बार उनकी तरफ भी स्माइल फेंक दो, दे आर हैप्पी। ठीक है, वो आर्ट आपको आना चाहिए। एंड यार डोंट टेक इट लाइट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट्स लाइक मेक और ब्रेक। 275 मार्क्स, 2 नंबर आगे पीछे में गड़बड़। आपने देखा टॉपर्स जो 50 लोग हैं या 20 लोग हैं, इवन टॉपर्स, they could secure this rank because of interview marks. Just see it. टॉपर जो 20 रैंक्स हैं, उनके इंटरव्यू के मार्क्स इतने अच्छे हैं कि वो इसी के कारण में मिले हैं। राइटिंग के मार्क्स आपके सिलेक्शन करवाते हैं, इंटरव्यू के मार्क्स आपको रैंक दिलाते हैं। आई थिंक एवरीबडी नोज इट। सो आई थिंक बी सीरियस and we are there to help you. Anytime you can reach out to us. I'll be more than happy. We have created good success stories last time also. My girl got 200 marks, double century. I think we have the capabilities and we can create it for you also. So madam, please summarize it.
Yes, yes, sir. So we are coming on to the last thing, which basically says that we have to, in that interview, we need to create an everlasting impression so that we get selected. So it is not about कि हमने एक first impression शायद एक elevator pitch है, but lasting impression वो 30 minutes है पूरे, जिसमें ये सब चीजें आती हैं, starting from your eye contact, आपका verbal हमने बोल दिया, verbal part में आपकी elevator pitch आ गई। सबसे पहले अगर मैं बात करूँ स्पेस क्लेम एंड सेल्फ टच, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं। स्पेस क्लेम क्या चीज है? जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, आपने कैसे जाके बैठना है। सपोज करो अगर विकास बीइंग अ मैन, इफ ही गोज एंड सिट्स अपने पूरे नीज ऐसे जोड़ के ऐसे करके, इसका मतलब वो कम स्पेस ले रहा है। जब आप कम स्पेस लेते हैं, इट शोज योर नर्वसनेस। सो डोंट टेक लेस स्पेस, टेक योर स्पेस व्हेन यू सिट देयर। You need to be confidently sitting there that yes, I'm there, I am prepared, ask me what you want to ask me. That is the kind of space claim you need to do. ठीक है? Then आपका सेल्फ टच एक बहुत ही बड़ा गिव अवे है कि आप नर्वस हो। आप अगर अपने हाथ बार बार ऐसे दबा रहे हो, हम बोलते हैं ना हाथ फिजिटिंग कर रहे हैं, we can't fidget. You have to be calmly just keep your hands there and you don't have to make any body movements. Because जब हम ये छोटी छोटी चीजें करते हैं, क्या होता है, उससे दिखता है कि आप नर्वस हो रहे हो, तो ये नहीं करना। देन एंगेजमेंट मैंने आपको बता दिया। आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड फ्रंटिंग का मतलब होता है आपकी पूरी बॉडी बिल्कुल सामने होनी चाहिए, आपने टेढ़ा नहीं बैठना, राइट? कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम लोग टेढ़े होकर ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं या कुछ। सो फ्रंटिंग का मतलब होता है कि सामने आपकी बॉडी, योर फीट ऑल्सो हैव टू पॉइंट स्ट्रेट, योर फीट कांट पॉइंट इन एनी अदर डायरेक्शन। These are very small things, but these are giveaways of you either not coming across as a formal individual or you come across as a nervous individual. हमें ये दोनों चीजें नहीं करनी, right? And then of course you need to sound confident, हम discuss कर चुके हैं। verbal part हम discuss कर चुके हैं। understanding and developing a positive inner image, I think we've already discussed. And of course breaking the vicious circle, using your clothes as a resource. आप जब उस रूम में एंटर करें, आपका ऑरा शुड स्पीक फॉर यू। अपने आप को, एंड स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स इफ यू आर नॉट यूज्ड टू वेयरिंग साड़ीज, प्लीज 2-4 बारी पहले साड़ी पहन के उसमें थोड़ा घूमो, आधा 1 घंटा उसमें बैठो। यू नीड टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन दैट अटायर बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर नॉट यूज्ड टू वेयरिंग साड़ीज। और फिर पता चले आप वहां पे अपना पल्ला ही ठीक कर रहे हो या साड़ी ठीक करी जा रहे हो, वो नहीं करना हमें।
Ma'am, I just have a basic doubt regarding this. Like, ma'am, formal suits and blazers is also playable for girls. So, can we wear that?
I think sir would answer that. Sir, what should they wear? Should they stick to wearing saris, or as Kanika saying, they want to wear, if they want to wear formal, can they wear that?
मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. This is about all India services. Have you seen any IAS officer, the lady IAS officer, not wearing sari? मैंने बहुतों को मेंटर किया है और मेरे को लगता है कि सेफेस्ट वे जो है वो साड़ी है और जेंटलमैन के लिए सूट है। आपको अगर लगेगा कि मैं यार ओड मैन आउट हूँ या ओड वुमेन आउट हूँ, तो इट्स अप टू यू। अगर उस दिन आपके बैच में 15-20 लेडीज हैं और 99% लोगों ने साड़ी पहन रखी है, तो वो मुझे लगता है आप खुद ही वहाँ पे अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाएंगे। इट मैटर्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू यार। जब वहाँ पे बैठे होते हैं सब लोग एक दूसरे को देखते हैं। वो जो उसका प्री इंटरव्यू हॉल है, वहाँ पे सब एक दूसरे को देखते हैं चोरी चोरी नजरों से कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, वो कैसा लग रहा है, इसने क्या पहना है, उसने क्या पहना है, इसकी टाई कैसी है, इसकी टाई की नॉट कैसी लगी हुई है। लोगों का डायूरिया हो जाता है यार, स्ट्रेस इनकंटिन्यूस हो जाता है लोगों को। लोग वॉशरूम इतनी बार जाते हैं कि वो जब नंबर आने लगता है ना, तब वो मतलब सोचता है कि यार मेरा 2 मिनट बाद में नंबर आ जाता तो बेटर था। आई एम टेलिंग यू, सो प्लीज डोंट बी नर्वस। अरे ये जो पहनने वाला चीज है ना यार, इसको खत्म करो। इसको मतलब इसमें ना क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं होना चाहिए। व्हाट आई मीन टू से, कंफर्टेबल रहना बहुत जरूरी है। और मुझे लगता है जितना जल्दी उसके उस लेवल पे पहुंच जाना कि मुझे ये पहनना है, ये मेरी सेलेक्टेड ड्रेस है, ये मेरे जूते हैं, ये मेरे सॉक्स हैं, और ऐसा मेरा हेयर स्टाइल होने वाला है, वो बेस्ट है। 1 दिन पहले 2 दिन पहले के लिए कोई चीज मत छोड़ना प्लीज। कनिका तो खैर अभी नहीं अपीयर कर रही है, बट बाकी लोगों के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, किसी को अगर स्पेक्स पहनने हैं, स्पेक्स का क्या पैटर्न रहेगा वो प्लीज देख लेना। 1 दिन पहले 2 दिन पहले के चक्कर में मत रहना। अभी जिस तरह से लॉकडाउन और ये सब चीजें चल रही है, सब कुछ लटक जाएगा। साड़ी खरीदना जिसको खरीद लेना, जिसको अपना सूट खरीदना है, शर्ट्स खरीदनी है, जूते खरीदने हैं, वो अभी से खरीद के रख लो, ठीक है। एंड लास्ट पॉइंट जो मेरी तरफ से है वो ये है कि यार ये सब होने के बाद में भी नहीं, देयर विल बी अनसर्टेनिटी। आपको लगता है कि इंटरव्यू में आपका ही गड़बड़ हो गया है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज इट, देन एंड देयर कोर्स करेक्शन शुड बी देयर। यू आर गोइंग टू बी एन IAS ऑफिसर यार, डिसीजन पावर आपके पास में होगा, डिसीजन लेने का हक आपका है, लेकिन आउटकम एंड कंसिक्वेंसेज उसकी कुछ भी हो सकती है, नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव। सो दैट कोर्स करेक्शन इज मस्ट। अगर आपको लगता है कि यार ये बंदा सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुआ या मेरे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स ठीक नहीं थे, जस्ट देन एंड देयर मतलब अगले पॉइंट पे आप असर्टिव हो जाओ। डोंट लीव थिंग लाइक दिस। ऐसे स्लिप नहीं होने दो अपने हाथ से ना कि यार अब तो खराब हो गया यार, अब तो 5 मिनट हो गई, 10 मिनट हो गई यार, मुझे तो पेल दिया यार, रगड़ दिया मुझे तो यार, ये तो पता नहीं क्या फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं। होगा ऐसा, those factual questions are there to unsettle you only and only, ठीक है। तो उससे पहले प्रिपेयर करो, अपना स्टैटिक कंपोनेंट अच्छा रखो, डैप से रिलेटेड जो भी है, स्टेट से रिलेटेड जो है पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी एंड उसका सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेटा जो है अपने स्टेट का, वो अच्छा रखो। डैप में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने सप्लाई करी है यूपीएससी को, आपने बताया अपने बारे में, वो आप प्रिपेयर करो। हॉबी हुआ, अचीवमेंट हुआ, आपका बैकग्राउंड हुआ, इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड हुआ, वो सब आप अच्छे से तैयार करके रखो। और उसमें इतना ज़्यादा मतलब रिसर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं है यार। एंड एनी टाइम यू कैन से सॉरी सर, सॉरी मैम, आई डोंट नो। इट इज ओके टू नो लाइक मैनी क्वेश्चंस। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपको बताना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो नंबर कट रहे हैं। दे आर लुकिंग फॉर ए पर्सनैलिटी, they are looking for a candidate who can be given the charge of a district, who can be given all India services. खत्म, ठीक है। So madam, I think we should conclude it.
Yes, we are done. In fact, मेरी last slide आप जो बोल रहे हैं उसी पे है, वो यही है कि आपके as adoption as a leader आपका communication style क्या होना चाहिए। The word that you use sir, assertive. आपको असर्टिव होना है आपकी कम्युनिकेशन में। आपने अग्रेसिव नहीं होना, आपने नॉन असर्टिव नहीं होना, आपने सिर्फ असर्टिव होना है। और अगर आप कहीं भी लूज करते हैं उसको ब्रिज कर लीजिए, इमीडिएटली कम बैक टू योर असर्टिवनेस एंड कैरी ऑन। एंड आई कैन गारंटी, आई थिंक सर कैन आल्सो गारंटी, इफ यू फॉलो दैट nobody can stop you from being successful in life. That's it. Thank you so much. That was from my end. If you have any questions, I am here to answer. And yes, please go ahead. Anybody, any question? Shiv Shakti, I have your hand, see your hand raised. Is it from the previous time or is it the fresh one?
Okay. Snail, Snail, Kiran. We started with Snail. Yes, Snail.
Yes, sir.
Can you smile now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I can
Great.
smile, sir, but while answering, I forget to smile, sir. That is the problem, sir. But I
No,
still
no,
try to
no.
smile, sir.
You start recording some videos and send across to me. I'll definitely fine
But sir,
tune it.
if masks are there on our face, then would that make any difference, sir?
Smile is
Smile
not
or not?
all about your lips movement यार. Smile like जिसको
I
देखनी होगी वो आंखों
I
में भी दिखती है यार.
okay,
Exactly.
sir.
ठीक है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
स्माइल के लिए टीथ दिखाना जरूरी नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay.
And sir,
Anay, yeah,
I had one
Anay
question,
and
sir.
yeah, who? Snail.
Yes, sir. Sir, like how to be assertive and humble at the same time, sir. Like being assertive, won't that make us feel a
नहीं,
little rude, sir?
असर्टिव का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको मतलब डंडा लेके ऐसे बोलना कि हाँ मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ सही बात बोल रहा हूँ. Assertive will come with your arguments, your
Okay, sir.
justification.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and again, you ask a very right question. You have got knowledge, tremendous knowledge. I
Yes,
must
sir.
compliment you all who are now appearing for the PT. They have got tremendous knowledge. Problem is that that knowledge should be now like now framed, and that should come into the points. Like if I ask you a question and you have 15 points, you should be able to prioritize them. Like na 3, 4, 5 points. Finish. And those points should be like na the most valuable points. You cannot start from first, second, third because they don't have so much time to wait for your 14th or 15th point. So start making like crisp points, like from the DAF also, from the current affairs also, whatever you're
Okay,
going
sir.
to like no tell them, those should come into point form, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. 3, 4 से ज़्यादा point होने ही नहीं चाहिए यार. It's not about mains. I keep seeing on Telegram, लोग इतने इतने बड़े ऐसे लिख देते हैं. इतना टाइम थोड़ी ना है यार. मतलब लिखने से ज्यादा मुझे लगता है बोलने में भी टाइम कंज्यूम होता है. जैसे मैं अभी देख रहा था आप लोगों को, जब आपने बोला कि 30-40 सेकेंड, सो 30-40 सेकेंड यार, इट अपीयर्स कि जो सुनने वाला ना उसको बहुत लंबा लग रहा है. वो 1 मिनट तक लग जाता है. वर्चुअल है ये. वट एवर यू से ना वो मुझे ज्यादा लगेगी. जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत देर से बोले जा रहा हूँ. समझ रहे हो? ये एक फीलिंग आती है इसमें. तो उस केस में आपके पास पॉइंट्स अच्छे होने चाहिए. ओपिनियन जो भी आप बेस कर रहे हो, लाइक opinion based questions, if they ask you like if I ask you a question, why should India export vaccines to the other countries when the entire population has not been vaccinated? So tell me, Snail.
Yes, sir. Sir, like we as a nation, sir, we would we look not only about us, sir, but we try to develop soft power by exporting vaccines, and as this is a pandemic,
On the cost
until
of,
and
now they will definitely interfere. They will say
yes, sir.
on your first point only, because you have kept your 3-4 points last. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now you brought soft power here. Now I'll say
Yes, sir.
soft power on the cost of lives of the people. What is this soft power here? I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
पूरे
But
दुनिया को, पूरे हिंदुस्तानियों को मरने दो और हम सॉफ्ट पावर लेके क्या करने वाले?
sir, but as this is a pandemic, sir, until and unless every people over the world are vaccinated, sir, even we won't be free from the disease, sir.
Yes, so this point should be your number 1 point.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you should tell
Okay,
them
sir.
that sir हम वैक्सीन कर रहे हैं, सबको भी कर देंगे ना, तो भी ये पेंडेमिक खत्म नहीं होने वाला है, और it will take time. We are going stage wise. That is, I think you being a medical chap, I think you should be able to answer this question rightly. So make a video
Yes, sir.
on this question and forward to me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Vikas,
sir.
have you got anything to ask?
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yeah, nahi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Then last May I will go to my Kashmiri friend. Where is he? Arthur is there? No, I think he has left. So we can take the last question from Manisha. Okay, Anay, please go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Anay, and actually I'm preparing for the next year, and I'm hopefully that I'll clear by next year. मुझे एक डाउट था कि मैं अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर में अपेयर होने वाला हूँ, तो मुझे 1 साल का गैप है, तो 1 साल में मैं क्या प्रिपरेशन कर सकता हूँ जो कि ये जो पहले 1-2 महीने के बाद पहले मुझे ये सब करना ना पड़े, जैसे कि अपना पोस्चर ठीक करना, जैसे मैं इनकलकेट मेरे लाइफ में करना चाहता हूँ, तो उसके लिए कुछ टिप्स चाहिए थी। मेरा सेकंड डाउट ये है कि अगर कोई इंटरव्यूअर आपको इंटरोगेट करता है, जैसे कि क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करता है, तो वहाँ पे सिचुएशन कैसी होनी चाहिए? जैसे कि बहुत से यूट्यूब के वीडियोस में इंटरव्यूज होते हैं, मॉक इंटरव्यूज, तो उन्होंने बताया था कि लोग बहुत डर जाते हैं, तो आंसर नहीं कर पाते, तो ये डाउट था। और तीसरा मेरा पॉइंट ये था कि आप जैसे स्माइल कर रहे हैं जैसे अभी, तो वैसा ही स्माइल होना चाहिए कि थोड़ा सा कम होना चाहिए?
कम होना चाहिए, थोड़ा
Yes.
सा कम,
Yes,
because
thank you.
you are in a chair where people are evaluating you.
Yes.
Right now I'm not sitting in a chair where you are evaluating me, so there is a difference.
Okay.
जब आपको कोई evaluate कर रहा होता है, you need to be at your best, right? और जहाँ तक आप बात कर रहे हैं कि आप कैसे इनकलकेट करें, जो जो आज हमने आपको बताया है उस चीज को अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में लाना शुरू करिए। अने ये नहीं है कि हम इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, मैंने आपको बीच में बोला था दैट वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर लाइफ।
जी जी।
द डे यू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर, उस दिन अगर आप बैठोगे कि आज मैं ग्रूमिंग क्लासेस ले लेता हूँ बिकॉज नाउ आई एम एन IAS ऑफिसर, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू डू इट। इट हैज टू कम नेचुरली टू यू एंड इट डजंट कम ओवरनाइट। इसको टाइम लगता है। आपके पास पूरा 1 साल है, आप अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, बट साथ साथ इंश्योर दैट यू फोकस ऑन बिल्डिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस, यू फोकस ऑन बिल्डिंग आपके कपड़े में, आपके जो आप कपड़े पहनते हैं उसमें आपका एक आपकी पर्सनालिटी दिखनी चाहिए कि हाँ दिस इज somebody who is in the making, a great personality in the making.
Yes ma'am.
तो आपके जैसे हमने आपको बोला, नॉट ये नहीं कि आप सारा टाइम सूट पहन के बैठे रहो, ऐसा नहीं है, बट देन आप कैसे बैठते हैं, आपका पोस्चर क्या है, आप जब आप बात करते हैं हाउ मच आर यू मूविंग योर हैंड्स, क्या आप बहुत हाथ घुमा रहे हैं या आप बीच में बहुत बारी पॉज करते हैं बोलते हुए, ये सब चीजें आपको पता है। और अगर आपको नहीं पता, आई विल सजेस्ट आप मिरर के आगे जाइए and start practicing. You say your introductions, when you're speaking to your family members or when you're speaking or you have your sessions in UPSC lounge,
right,
tell others to tell you कि आपकी speech में कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है।
okay.
हमें खुद को नहीं पता चलता कभी कभी, जैसे I am in the habit of saying in between.
Yes.
So people tell me that you say so many times. Yeah. I never realized till somebody told me that I say you so many times in between. Do you understand? These are very small things which we don't realize till the time somebody else who's noticing us will tell us.
Yeah, obviously ma'am, obviously जैसे वो एक end करके बोला था, वो हमारे अंदर है ऐसी ना,
और हम realize नहीं करते, तो you will have to take help from your family, you will have to take help from of course sir and all of us, and you will have to take help from your friends, from your well-wishers, that they need to tell you where do you need to improve. Yes. So all these things that they take time, but then start putting them in your aura. You'll have to bring it in your aura, slowly it will happen.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay then guys, I think we should wind up, and last question I can take from the people who are making to the interview this time.
There are 3 hands raised, sir. I think Daisy ka hai, Ane ka ho gaya.
Kiran. We will go to Kiran. Kiran, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. So my doubt was regarding greeting the board members. So when we have to greet the board members, can we nod our heads a bit, or do we have to be stiff and stand still?
I mean, see, you have to be natural, Kiran ji. ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप सावधान में खड़े होके, मतलब आप किसी ने बंदूक रखी है सेट और बोल रहे चलो आप गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो, ऐसा नहीं है। हम एक फॉर्मल, आपके घर में जब कोई आता है, if your father's friend is coming, how do we greet? That good evening uncle, हल्का सा नॉट करते हैं, है ना?
Yes ma'am.
If I am saying good evening to you right now, I'll say good evening Kiran di. So
yes,
but it is a very natural nod. ऐसा नहीं है good evening Kiran di, और ये भी नहीं है कि good evening Kiran di.
Yes ma'am.
So keep it natural. ये सब चीजों को बहुत natural रखो, इन पे इतना मत सोचो. Keep it very natural, right? But आपका body language, जब आप खड़े होते हैं, एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, आपने अपनी बैक को स्लाउच नहीं करना. ये बहुत लोग करते हैं, उनको पता नहीं चलता. यू हैव टू हैव योर, बोलते हैं ना, शोल्डर्स, थ्रो देम बैक. थ्रो देम बैक का ये मतलब नहीं है कि गिर जाओ, but you know, in the sense, you have to be like, you know, you have to be smart. That confidence should exude from your demeanor, that yes, wow, Kirandeep को देख के लगे कि उसको देखने का मन कर रहा है. You get that?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you greet, say nicely. अब मुझे आप greet करो एक बारी. अभी I can't see you. Can you switch on your camera?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do that. Just greet all of us once. Let's see how you do it.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, अब आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कर रहे हो, वो इतना मत करो.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
There has to be a little softness in your voice, which is already there. You have a very sweet voice. Great.
Okay, ma'am.
And just that you have to be pleasant, smiling as you are right now. That's it. And keep natural. That is it.
Okay, ma'am.
All will rock.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else? Anybody?
Okay. I think last question, Daisy. Daisy, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Like even
This is the
while
last
we-
question.
Yes. Even while we do public speaking, like there are many things that are there in the back of our mind. Like we have enough knowledge of the topic, but it doesn't come out from our mouth sometimes. Like how to improve on that? Like how do we prioritize things to speak?
See, prioritize इसमें ऐसा है ही नहीं प्रॉब्लम डेजी, बिकॉज यहाँ तो इंटरव्यू हो रहा है. आपने प्रायोरिटाइज ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना. आपने सिर्फ एक अपने इंट्रोडक्शन को तैयार करना है, उसमें प्रायोरिटाइज करना है कि क्या चीज पहले बोलनी है, क्या चीज बाद में बोलनी है. और वो सिर्फ 30 से 40 सेकंड्स की जो स्पीच है, सिर्फ उसको प्रिपेयर करना है. दैट इज इट. बाकी तो वो जो आपको पूछेंगे आपने उसका जवाब देना है. यू डोंट हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज एज सच एनीथिंग मोर. But yes, your introduction has to be prioritized. I think I already gave you a little brief, and lot of them could, could catch it also pretty well, and immediately tell everybody how we have to go about it. So just kind of prioritize that कि आपने कैसे अपनी speech को बोलना है. वो 30 seconds में आपने कैसे अच्छा एक impression form करना है. Nothing else has to be as such prioritized, because people will be asking you questions, right? Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think I should say bye-bye now, and with a positive note, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. On personal note and professional note, I also got so many tips today, and I assume that it will definitely go a long way for the candidates
Thank you.
in their personal life and professional life. And thanks, ladies and gentlemen, for attending this session, and I can hope you all the best, and all your dreams come true. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We'll again present you in the series of making of an officer. I'll again come up with a new session, new episode with someone else, and madam will be there with me anytime. If anybody would like to reach out to UPSC launch, they can go through www.upsclaunch.com. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
and
you, sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
in life. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.